Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And we are here for another slot opening of our 24 days of jewelry.
Advent calendar.
Our advent calendar. Fashion jewelry advent calendar. Yay. And I think it is your turn. Oh, by the way, Lisa, I believe it was, wants you to make your cookies.
Yay!
Yay! Hey, she did a really great job. She made some for when we visited the in-laws. Had a nice big tub of different cookies and some candies, and she made quite a few of those, and they were big.
Of the cookies.
Yeah, the cookies, but they were a big hit. Anyway, it's the 13th. I think it's your turn.
Oh, there are two bracelets.
Ah.
Pretty.
Oh, that one's very pretty. That's pretty jewelly green.
Mm-hmm.
Very Christmassy. Oh, put those two together. No, not that one. Where's the that one? Oh no, maybe we'll get a red one like this. One together. That'd be pretty. Okay. Mm-hmm. We can be pretty. We can make it work. Yeah. So we got a real pretty, nice Christmassy green spacer. And we got another bracelet. So we have two bracelets, charm spacers, and a necklace.
Instead, we're going to be fighting over the necklace.
You think we'll be fighting over the necklace?
Yeah.
It is pretty, and I believe it's a glow in the dark. We'll have to check that.
It's not showing that great.
Hmm.
Maybe it was in the dark too long that it lost its glow.
Yeah, we'll have to check it next time. Well, I hope you're getting excited like we are about finishing up our bracelets. We are just a smidge over halfway.
Yay.
But those bracelets are going to be pretty. Well, we hope that you've enjoyed our little opening, and we certainly hope you will come back tomorrow for day 14.
Yay.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.